Okay, just so that I'll have a little bit of something to work with, I have typed your problem here. And of course, I assume you know how to do this because I didn't see any work, but you would insert, you go over here to equation. I am on a Mac also, so yours should look very much like mine. So we would have 5x minus 2x plus 4 equals 3, 2x plus 1. And then, of course, your next step, you would go on through with it. If for some reason you needed to type fractions, you do insert equation. This is your fractions right here. If you needed a exponent, you would go right here. If you needed a radical, you go right here. And I really just did some of that so I'd have something to show you. Now, be aware that I must be in Firefox. I'm going to pull up my Gene. I'm going to come down here and I'm going to show you what my Firefox symbol looks like. That's the Firefox symbol. Be sure that that is your browser. Okay, if I wanted to paste all of this to the forum, I'm going to go get my Gene again. Just say that I was wanting to paste this, copy this whole thing and paste it. I'm going to go as a reply to you and post it. Okay, I've got it outlined. I capture it right there. I copied it. And I've got to get back to the forum. Okay, here is the forum. And I'm going to find your location. All right, here you are. And I'm going to reply to you. And I'm going to put it in right here. I'm right here inside this box. Now you said Mac. I hit the Command and the V key. It's there. I submit. And you know, you've got 30 minutes before it actually completely appears. So hope that's not what you're talking about, but it will stay there. It's there. I will add the link to it, to this, so you can watch the actual video of me doing it.